what is the magic bullet to get a confirmed allotment in the IPOs that are in the pipeline? I have the answer, I'll tell you last.
Just look around for the nearest temple. Siddhivinayak is not too far.
Okay, visit a temple, a church, or a masjid. That's what Salil says. Ma'am.
You know, my 85-year-old mom seems to get all the allocations, so I'll ask her and tell you because I haven't figured it out at all.
Okay, yeah. Okay. So since he's talked about mandirs, we'll also look at her astrological chart.
Yeah, blessings from the parents.
Absolutely. Pranav, you've been listing IPOs since 1980s. I'm sure you have an answer.
Well, apply in every single relative's name that you know of.
Okay.
That's one way. But, seriously, with the kind of oversubscription that you find, the chances of allotment are low. And even if you get an allotment, you only get one lot. So it's, to move the needle, it doesn't really do anything. Absolutely. One lot of allotment.
So I presume the three of us, the three of you haven't been as lucky as you have been in getting business from IPOs, right? Do you apply?
You're not allowed to apply. So.
Okay. Dhiraj, the last one comes to you.
I think investors should invest post-IPO, immediately after the IPO. That's a better way, because if you look at some of the IPOs, how they have performed the post-listing also, carrying on what Pranav mentioned also, you should look at which are the good businesses and stay invested in those businesses. I think that's very important.
They get listed at 80% premium, but we'll take your word for it. At least you have given
there are examples like Arida also, which is after 32 rupees, now it's almost at 100 rupees in 10 trading sessions.
112, I'll just put in the right number.
Salil
wants to add.
Look at the anchor books, because the anchor books reflect the quality of names that have validated it and feel comfortable about it. The best of insurance companies, the best of mutual funds, when they participate, you know that somebody's done a lot of homework. Even if you do not get, stock in the IPO itself, these are the companies wherein there will be follow-on buying post-listing. And that's also, there's a time for a lot of investors to also get more, skin in the game at that point of time. Plan for the long haul. As Pranav said, there is no point judging a company on an everyday pricing basis. Plan for the long haul, invest in a good business, stay put for a long period of time. Wealth will get created by compounding and not by a, selling trigger on day one.
Okay, so don't wait for the listing pop, buy it on the listing day. And my final two bits, if everything fails, please come to Delhi. There is a Bengali Baba who actually assures allotment in IPOs. So I'm going to meet him, do a story on that one.